Dear friends and students, welcome back to my Archi classes. Today I am discussing the some important 8th class Ganita Prakasha chapter number 3, a story of numbers. Today I am discussing some important middle and exercise question answers in stepwise. First I am discuss the middle question answers, that is page number 4, the topic the mechanism of countings. First questions: how can we ensure all cows return safely without modern numbers? This question first solve the methods, that method is one-to-one correspondence method. First step: use a physical tally system, sticks or pebbles. The process: as each cow exists the open in the morning, move one pebbles from a home field to an outfield. The return in the evening, move one pebbles back the home field from every returning cow. Here question: if the outfield is empty, the herd is complete. If pebbles remain, a cow is missing. Question number 2: how to compare herd size with a neighbors? Pairing techniques: gather two fields of sticks representing each herd. Matching: take one stick from your pile and one from the neighbors simultaneously. The result: the field that runs out first belongs to person with a smaller herd. Next middle question, page number 7, the topic early arithmetics. Arithmetic using method 1. In addition, combine two physical groups of sticks into a single fill and count the new total. Subtraction: from the main fill, remove a number of sticks equal to the amount of being subtracted. The remainder is the answer. Multiplication: create several identical fields. For example, to multiply by 4, make 4 fields of the same size and merge them. Division: distribute sticks one by one into groups of divider size. The number of groups formed is the quotient. Next middle questions, page number 9, Gumgal numbers logic. How are those numbers named form? This is the base 2 system using sounds. Urapan 1 and Ukasar 2. For example, 3 Ukasar Urafan. Ukasar means 2, Urafan means 1. 2 plus 1. 4 Ukasar Ukasar, 2 plus 2. 5 Ukasar Ukasar, 2 plus 2 plus Urafan 1. This is a base 2 method. Next, page number 11, Roman numbers, step by steps. Question answer. First question, represent the following numbers. First one, 1222. First, discuss the theory. 1 Roman Anki, it represents 1. 2 Roman 2. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 denoted means x means 10. Behind the x 1, this indicated 9. Next 10. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 x ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಗೆರೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನು 10 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನೀವು 10ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಕೋರಿ, ಎಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 500 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 500 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 5000. ಎಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1000, ಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 500. 1222 means M indicates 1000. Double C, C plus C, C indicates 100. 100 plus 100, 200. X indicates 10. 10 plus 10, 20. I indicates 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, it indicates MCCXXII. 1222. 2999. 2000 means MM indicates 1000, 1000 plus 2000. CM indicates 1000 minus 100. The M behind right the C is that for indicates that 1000 minus 100, 900. XC indicates that 90. That is, C means 100. Behind the right the X less 10. 100 minus 10, 90. 9 indicates X 10. 10 behind the right 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 2999 indicates MM, CM, XCI, X. 302. CCC means 100, 100, 100 plus 200, 300 plus 2, 302. 715. D indicates 500. Double C indicates 100 plus 100, 200. XP indicates 15. DCC XP. Page number 12, Roman arithmetic. LXXXVII plus LXXVIII. Solve. Step 1, combines. First one, L double L, X 3x plus 2x 5x P1, P1, P plus P. I 2, 5, 5. Total 5. L plus L means L 50 plus 50 100 C indicates X 5 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 50 50 indicates L. P plus P X 5 plus 5 10 I plus I plus I plus I plus I pi means P. Result final result C plus L plus X plus P. CLXP means 165 indicates 165. Page number 15 base pi system logics. Representing base pi landmarks 1 pi u 20 pi 120 pi. 15 consists of 3 5 landmark units. Pi 3 is a 15. 50 means consist of 220 pi landmark units. 20 pi 2 is a 150. 137 120 pi units, 2 pi units, 2 1 units. Dear students, if you have any doubts in middle question answers and exercise question answers, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.